Okay, here's the deal. We see a lot of megapixel shootouts, comparisons of photo and video between the different S60 smartphones. But which has the best audio quality? Now that may not sound a very big deal, but if you're shooting family and friends, you're shooting conversations, people are talking, to have rubbish audio really makes a big difference. I've often heard it said that you can have pretty average video quality, but if the audio is great, the overall impression of the user will be great. If you have rubbish audio, you can have the best picture in the world, people will still be dissatisfied. So with that in mind, and this is being shot on the Nokia N93 by the way, with stereo microphones either side of the lens. This is the one I shoot the smartphone on, so you shouldn't be surprised if the sound's pretty darn good. What I'm going to do is run through some different other handsets after the N93, identical lighting conditions, saying which handset is which as I go along, and you can judge for yourself the different audio quality. Okay, so this is the N93 switching to the N95, in this case the N95 8GB, but you get the gist. I suspect the microphone's the same. So again, the single microphone, monophonic, also used for making phone calls. It's not a dedicated audio microphone. How does the quality sound to you? Again, this is the N95 8GB, switching to the Nokia N82, also known as the Silver Snapper affectionately by some. Again, we're talking a single microphone also used for making voice calls. How does the audio sound to you? Again, this is the Nokia N82, switching to the Nokia E61i, a lower resolution camera and no pretensions on the device for multimedia whatsoever. How's the audio quality? I'm suspecting it's going to be quite a bit tinnier. Let's see. I'm now going to switch back to the N93 and we'll see the quality jump. So we're back on the N93 and hopefully you can see and hear the difference. The N93 is unique along with the N93i as it happens, but that's got slightly different mic placements. But the N93 has stereo microphones either side of the lens that are dedicated, they're only used for shooting video. The voice microphone, if you're making phone calls, is in a different place on the device. Every other device, every other N-series device doubles up the main voice microphone as the main video microphone. And I think this is why the N93's audio is so fabulous compared to the others. I really would like to see Nokia go down this route more and use a dedicated, high-quality audio recording microphone for video mode. Anyway, so that's signing off for this video podcast. I hope it's been a useful comparison to you. This is Steve Litchfield from allaboutSymbian.com.